Imagine searching for a home, scrolling through listings, only to find a handful of options, and those few are snapped up almost as quickly as they appear. If you've felt this frustration, you're experiencing the reality of a tight resale market. Across many regions, housing resale markets are constricted by limited supply and sustained demand, creating fierce competition among buyers and significant challenges for those looking to sell. But what exactly drives this market tightness? And how does it impact everyday Canadians trying to navigate buying or selling a home today? Let's unpack the causes, consequences, and strategies surrounding the current resale market tightness. Understanding the resale market and why tightness matters. The resale market refers to homes being sold by their current owners, as opposed to new homes coming directly from developers or builders. It forms the backbone of residential real estate activity, often representing 80 to 90% of transactions in many markets. When we talk about a tight resale market, it means the supply of available homes for sale is very limited relative to buyer demand. This imbalance creates several key effects: low inventory. Fewer homes are listed for sale, which reduces options for buyers. Rising prices, scarce supply, often drives up home prices, sometimes rapidly. Fierce competition. Multiple buyers may compete for the same property, leading to bidding wars. Seller advantage. Sellers can be more selective and often receive offers above asking price. Buyer challenges. Buyers may face frustration, stress, and compromises in their home search. What's causing resale market tightness? Several factors contribute to today's constrained resale markets. 1. Supply constraints. One of the biggest reasons is simply a lack of available homes. Homeowners are less inclined to sell in uncertain economic times, especially if they worry about finding a new place themselves. This reluctance reduces resale inventory. Additionally, new home construction, while booming in some areas, can take time to catch up to demand, leaving a gap in available housing stock. 2. Sustained demand. Demand remains high due to population growth, immigration, and low borrowing costs from prior years, even if rates have risen recently. Many buyers still seek to enter the market or upgrade their homes, keeping pressure on limited supply. 3. Investor activity in some markets. Investors purchasing properties for rental or resale reduce available homes for typical buyers. This can tighten supply further. 4. Demographic shifts. Millennials entering prime home buying years, combined with baby boomers downsizing, create complex demand patterns, sometimes limiting turnover in certain market segments. Effects of a tight resale market on buyers and sellers. For buyers, higher prices, less competition, tends to push prices upward, making affordability a bigger issue. Stressful search, fewer choices and quick decisions can increase buyer anxiety. Bidding wars. Buyers may have to offer above asking price or waive contingencies to secure a home. Compromises. Buyers often must settle for homes that may not check all their boxes. For sellers, pricing power. Sellers can often list at a premium and receive multiple offers. Faster sales. Homes may sell within days or even hours of listing. Negotiation edge. Sellers can dictate terms and timelines with less flexibility needed. Regional examples of resale market tightness across Canada. Resale market tightness varies. Alberta. Cities like Edmonton and Calgary have experienced increasing inventory recently, easing some pressure. However, tightness remains in smaller cities like Medicine Hat, Toronto, and Vancouver. These major markets continue to face very tight resale supply amid strong demand and immigration-driven growth. Atlantic Canada. Some areas see tight resale markets due to growing populations and limited new builds. Prairie provinces. Mixed trends exist, with urban areas more balanced and rural markets tighter due to lower turnover. Strategies for buyers in a tight resale market. Navigating a tight resale market requires preparation and flexibility. Get pre-approved. Secure mortgage pre-approval to act quickly when the right property appears. Be ready to move fast. Homes sell quickly, so don't hesitate if you find a good match. Consider flexibility. Be open to different neighborhoods or property types. Work with experienced realtors. Agents with local knowledge can alert you early to listings and help negotiate. Be prepared to compete. Understand that you may need to bid over asking price or waive contingencies cautiously. Tips for sellers to maximize opportunities. For sellers, a tight resale market presents a chance to capitalize. Price competitively. While you have pricing power, realistic expectations attract strong offers. Stage and prepare. Present your home well to. Encourage multiple bids. Leverage professional marketing. Use high-quality photos and online marketing to reach the widest audience. Be flexible on closing. Accommodate buyers' timing to facilitate faster sales. Consider offers carefully. Multiple offers allow you to evaluate terms beyond price, like conditions or flexibility. What's ahead for the resale market? Experts anticipate some easing in resale market tightness as new construction ramps up and interest rates stabilize. However, ongoing demand from population growth and shifting buyer preferences means balanced markets may still face inventory challenges. Technology and data are also transforming resale markets. Virtual tours, AI-driven pricing, and instant offer platforms can streamline buying and selling processes in tight markets. Final thoughts: what resale market tightness means for you. Resale market tightness shapes the real estate experience for millions. Buyers face challenges but can succeed with strategy and patience. Sellers enjoy opportunities but must remain realistic to maximize value. Understanding local market conditions and trends is key. Have you experienced the tight resale market firsthand, either buying or selling? What strategies worked or didn't work for you? Share your stories and questions below. Let's help each other navigate this challenging but exciting market.